near 15 centimeters possible. And I think that's like my second time ever making a bonus soup. And we finally. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes, I closed out the vlog yesterday. Welcome back to another vlog. So this morning, your face. Wait, this morning. Okay, let's start. So it's raining now, and the weather prediction yesterday. So yesterday, when I was heading out to go grocery shopping, I checked the weather because that cold was eating, and I was like, let me even check what the weather is.
May I have your attention, please? We will be conducting a test of the fire alarm system. The speakers will be sounding off intermittently during the test. Please disregard as it is a part of the test.
I'm so sorry about that. Um, and again, this see it's gloomy because it's raining, so like there's no light coming in, and this light is not saving. So please bear with me. So I decided to check the weather. What the weather? I checked before I left the house, but I just wanted to check again. I wanted to remind myself. But guess what? My attention immediately shifted from what the weather was at that time. Because I saw when I went and searched. I don't use the app. I just go online and search weather in Toronto, whatever. So I went and searched. Let me search it out again. And then I saw one red stuff, more like a warning at the top of the page. And then let me search for it. The times that it has snowed, like when you check the forecast, you see, okay, um, less than 1 centimeters of snow. That's what we've been having. Then they're telling me that it will accumulate up to 10 centimeters. Where I even read that I saw 10 to 15. Okay, yes, amounts near 15 centimeters possible. So this had me so scared and worried because see, even if you're driving, it's going to be hard to drive. Like imagine the snow accumulates to up to 15 centimeters by evening. Those commuting back from work at that time are going to have a tough time. I was so scared because Obi is going to be coming back from work at that time. I'm like, oh, and the snow is going to, with what I've been seeing in some other information, is going to eat the parts where he walks, like the city where he walks more. That's like one of the places that was highlighted. Yo, I'm so scared, and I'm afraid that by the time it accumulates tomorrow itself, it might not be very easy to move move around. I don't know. Yo, JJC. The JJC is just so scared. I made sure he carried a second glove so that he will put it on top of his what's that thing called? Touchscreen glove. Because I feel like that would not be good enough. Just in case you're stranded. I left him chin chin as well. In case he's stranded somewhere. Yo guys, I'm so scared. So guys, I made spag yesterday. Yesterday I had a very busy day, fruitful as well. I went grocery shopping, came back, made soup. Oh my god. So I had a very productive day yesterday. I made ogbono soup. That's my first time making ogbono soup since we've been here, and I think that's like my second time ever making ogbono soup. So I made ogbono. had to cook the chicken I bought, made the ogbono. Then I started with cooking. I made a bar, and then I also made spaghetti so that all we can, have something to take to work. So guys, I am. Let me successfully wear this thing first before I start talking. So guys, this is me getting ready to go grocery shopping. So I want to hurry up because we don't have milk in this house. Yes, I know I went yesterday, but there's only so much I can carry. And yeah, so I have to go back today. I don't think I'll go back to the same place. I want to go to another place. It's a little bit farther, but I prefer that place because I will get bread there, the type of bread that we like. Two or three stocks. I don't even remember. So this is me. I'm like trying to layer up. So this is my inside clothes. I just wore this sweatshirt from uni. I'm so pumped. Like I saw it. I brought it from Nigeria. So like I'm searching for things to wear. I just saw it. I'm like, it will go. Like so I'm going to go and wear my hoodie on top. So this is the second layer. I've worn my joggers, and I'm gonna wear in the what's this? What's this thing called? The sweatshirt, Abby. I think I shall be wearing this the top with it. Then my winter jacket will go over this. Yes, 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 yo. So let's talk. Because of the weather warning, I don't want to have to. We need because we need milk. We need egg. I don't want to have to be going grocery shopping on the weekend with up to 15 centimeter or 10 centimeters of snow. No, I don't want to have to do that. So since we still have time before the snow comes in, I want to hurry up and go. I don't want to be stranded, so I'm going to eat a little bit, then head out. And I'll carry you guys along. You guys, my hair is so puffy that I could not put on a head warmer. So I would still, I don't know. I'll wear that my head. The color doesn't even rhyme. Anyhow, shall let me go and eat. So I'm almost set to head out. It's already raining, so I'm rushing. Like I am rushing. It's official. We're now wearing snow boots, and it's helping us bring our meat. Yay! Yo. Hi y'all. So I'm back, and look at. I remember before I left, I think I mentioned I said my hair is poofy. It can't fit under the head warmer. It's even worse now. Like the rain beats my hair. Y'all, this morning when my husband left for work, he was texting me while on the train that the wind then can carry somebody. I was like, I was like, I was scared. See me, I'm scared of like the actual reality of what this weather brings. So when he told me, I was like, but like I did not think it was that bad. I mean, I know I've seen instances where I'm on the bus and I'm seeing people walking on the road and they're like walking against the wind, like they're walking in the direction that the wind is coming from. So it's like eating them. So they're walking against it or walking into it. I see how much effort they put into trying to stay in control of their balance. And I was like, is it that bad? But today I felt it like literally, if you know stand well, if you know stand well, the wind can blow you and you off. It can and this is just light rain. Oh. I wonder how serious, like I wonder how strong the magnitude of the wind will be when the storm comes. You guys, I am not anticipating it at all. They said there's going to be possibility of power outage. No, so last night I charged our power bank just in case. Even when you charge power bank, sef, which internet you want to use? If anyhow, shall we see how it unfolds? Let me show you guys what I got. You guys, Owo Onitan, simply put, I got us some toilet tissues. So I went to Metro. That's like the closest to me. Just one bus. I didn't bother to go the other routes I wanted to go because I don't even have so much money. So there's no point going far, far away. Since they have the bread I'm looking for at Metro, that's the most important thing. And they would for sure have milk. Just that they don't have like variety of milk. The type of milk that we always buy, they don't usually have it. And the last time I went there and just picked any out type of milk throughout the week when we used that milk, Obi was always purging, and we sensed that it was the milk. That was the only thing that was different. So he stopped taking the milk. So I went there today and they had that same milk. I didn't pick it. I picked something else from the brand that makes the original milk we used to buy. So I got bread. I bought two. There were four left on the shelf. I didn't like that, but I don't get choice. Oh, the second one. It's already squished. I bought a crate of 18 eggs this time. I bought this pack of spinach. So this is the milk, Lactantia, from Lactantia that I bought. I've never bought milk in a keg like this, or in a bottle like this. So we'll see how it goes. I have to confirm my mic is on. I got salad dressing, even though I didn't buy like mixed salad because you guys, I was just praying that the money left on my hand will be able to pay for all of this, and it was just enough. I should have even searched further for more stuff left. I took plantain. We still have two plantains, so I don't mind this one. That these ones are not ripe. A bottle of canola oil. At this point, yo, this weather is not friendly. Just rain, and I couldn't stand it. I know that I for sure do not want to have to be going out and be picking things petty petty. So I want to have backups just for when, you know, we run out of oil. And we finally orange juice. My umbrella that did not umbrella anything. Like I couldn't use it. The wind was too strong. Right in my face, one lady's umbrella just the umbrella cap just flew off in the middle of the road. Like I got out of the building, tried to put on the umbrella. I saw the wind, I just locked it up and packed it back. I just knew this was not gonna work. So yeah, that is all I got. Oh Jesus. It's already time for my video to go live. I need to go publish it now. I didn't schedule it. So I'll go publish it now and chill, warm some mustard because I only had very little. And that is it. I'll catch you guys later. Our freezer just came in. See, we've just been blessed with amazing people around us since we came here. Like, they are not a lot, but they've just been a blessing to us, all our friends. I see, we really appreciate you guys. It was a friend of Obi's that helped us go pick this freezer from a Facebook market seller, and also he helped us place an order for our huge box of meat. So you guys, it's official. Now we are ready for winter. Now we are ready for winter. He was the one who helped us to source for that box of tomatoes. And he also helped us to place the order for these box of goat meat. Now this will last us till like next year. Glory to God. I'm so happy. Oh, you guys. When you say okay, we ordered for this. Where we won't put them for our freezer. Let me show you our freezer, guys. Now, this is our freezer, like for year, year, and year. Yes, this is all our freezer. So, this is my dry fish, ground pepper. I know for longevity of your egusi ogbono, they have to stay in the freezer. So, like, I was already worried when this meat comes, where will we put this? And this place is not even as big. I put my ogbono that I made yesterday, yeah. You know, so you can see our freezer is not big at all. I was wondering where would we put the goat meat. So he helped us, find the freezer, picked it up. We were all searching on Facebook Marketplace anyway. So he picked it up, and now we have our freezer. Yes, now we can buy it. And God provides, we can now buy, as many things as we want. I am so happy. So you're supposed to leave the freezer to stand upright for at least 2 hours before you load it or before you put it on. So, and this box of meat, I don't know. Let us open it. You guys, with what I experienced today, for sure, you don't want to have to be going out unnecessarily. Like if it's not necessary, you just have to stay. You want to stay indoors. What's next? I think when we go visit our friends this Christmas. Oh, it's cool. Okay, it's cold. I think it can still stay. I don't know. Can this still stay 2 hours? I'm gonna load it in the freezer for the meantime. I'm taking this ones off. So like, let me show you the meat. So all of this is what we got for $400 from a farm. It's a old goat for $400. You guys, all the parts are there. This is the legs, I guess, or the tail, the liver, the stripes, the stripe, shaki. This must be the head. You guys, hey, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, you guys. Oh, so guys, I've successfully put away some of the goat meat into like I took out these ones. They're not so important. So I took those out, and let me show you. So I portioned the meat into smaller bags. So these are some. The one went here. Then the remaining one cannot fit in there, so I left it in the box. The meat is so I just put this frozen ogbono here to keep it cool. So so that's going to work for now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I remember in the how to pack video, how I packed my food for travel video, I showed this powdered or instant ogi, and I said I will give a review of whether it was good or not. Now I'm back with an update. Finally, months after, I finally made it, and this is the outcome. So as y'all can see, the texture is just right. It doesn't smell like ogi, it doesn't have that ogi smell, but it will do. It is nice, it is very good. I will definitely buy it again.